Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because I have the NOMAD Cosmetics Fire and Ice palette. Girl, it is gorgeous. I am obsessed with this color story right here. So I just didn't want to create one look. It's going to be a 3 looks, 1 palette because I'm indecisive which shades I want to use and I really just want to test all of them. Grab a snack, or if you grab this palette as well, grab your brushes. Let's create 3 looks together. I'll link my makeup reviews playlist to watch previous reviews, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's create some looks. Before we dive in, you know the drill. Swatches in this palette, oh my gosh, it's to die for. I'm a huge fan of NOMAD Cosmetics. Every time they have a palette release, I'm on it. Frigg, River Glacier, Hecla, Odin, Afflum. Already obsessed with that top row. That would be a fun color story to do. If you have not touched NOMAD shades before, girl, you are missing out. They are so soft. So soft that I'm almost afraid to do swatches because I'm like, I don't want it to break. But man, this color payoff, the creaminess, the pigment, it is all there. God's Waterfall, Elves, Muspelhelm, Gallows Lava, Northern Lights. Can we talk about that green though? It is amazing. It almost matches my hoodie today. Niflheim, Njord, Hell, Dark Castles, Valkyries. Oh, you're a Valkyrie. I couldn't resist making that Marvel reference. And this is the entire palette swatched. Literally obsessed with this color story. I don't even know where to begin. Slightly overwhelmed because it's just a very unique color story. All these shades are so much fun. What I really love and appreciate about NOMAD is not only their formula, but their color stories are always so unique, and I feel so inspired when I play with their eyeshadow palettes. That's why I have to do 3 looks, 1 palette, because I would literally sit here all day just trying to figure out which shades I want to do. If I could, I would put all over my eyelid. Actually, that'd be a fun video to do. Never done that before. Not today because I want to do 3 looks, but in the future, I think that would be a lot of fun to do. Your guess is good as mine at what I'm going to create. Comment below, what are some of your favorite shades from this palette? I hope you guys enjoyed creating the 4 looks with me. I am obsessed with this palette. It is by far my favorite palette I have tried this year so far. Such a fun color story. I was definitely inspired. I had to do 4 looks instead of 3, and my eyes are definitely feeling it right now. Towards the end, my outer and inner portions of my eyes were getting so watery. You can tell on this look that no color just wants to stay in that outer portion. I'm obsessed. You can do very bright looks, as you can see on this eye, or grungy looks, as you can see on this eye. All the shades pair so nice together, so easy to blend and work with. Going into this, I felt like maybe Frig, Niflheim, and Dark Castles were gonna be the shades that gave me issues. These two did not. Frig did just a little bit because it has to be built up quite a bit. And I did try a different primer for looks 3 and 4. I used the Urban Decay Potion Primer as opposed to looks 1 and 2. I used the Priming is Everything by The Balm, and I feel like the Urban Decay Potion Primer, it showed up a little bit better. It's popping a little bit more, whereas in the Balm's primer, it did show up a little bit muted, and then Hecla kind of just took over from there. I just had so much fun creating all 4 different looks, pairing all the different shades together. There's just so many endless shade combinations. Like, I can go on and on doing more looks if my eyes allowed me to. I do recommend it, and I'm going to continue to keep gravitating toward this palette because I'm not done yet. I would love to know, did you guys pick up this palette? What are some of your favorite color combinations? And if you haven't picked it up yet, do you plan on it? Hopefully this video was helpful in case if you're on the fence about it. Let me know in the comments below which look was your favorite. I honestly don't know. I'm actually really loving this look a lot. I was a little nervous about it because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do just like both the crease and the lid with the shades, but I thought like the purple just stepped it up a little bit more. But I had fun creating all the looks, and I tried doing different styles to help you guys get inspired and just paired the different colors together. I know that's what I like to do in my looks, even if they're not traditional colors to be paired together. That's just what's fun about makeup, and a fun eyeshadow palette like that definitely achieves that. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.